Sorry, I pushed wrong button. So there's your face. We all push the wrong buttons. Come on. Don't abandon me now. But, yeah, I mean, the future being, and I don't know where I am on this. We certainly don't want to see a rehearsed thing, or we have a book, and the words help us. My name's Eric. It's Monday, June 19th, 2017. But just making progress on make something out of a gray mess, dust. Work on words you say. I have nothing against poets, but it all sounds a little special, and you know, it's alright, but you sound a bit scared or pushing too hard that it's this great thing, but we all don't use it, and we like words, and there's rap singers and stars or whatever, and people like to hear words. Someone likes to hear someone talk to them, and I guess we need a gray screen and fancy technology and organize it so in the end I'm just clever, or I'm trying really hard, or we have a a drawing on our lap. Don't push the wrong button again there, Eric boy. My lifelong love is developing. I don't know. You have some equipment and drawings, and you're hooked into a database, and you're talking weird, but it's great, and keep going. Do you have some intelligence to this? Is this really high up there, or medium, or I don't think so, or I'm flummoxing, and the girl says, that's fine, Eric, that's fine. We all gotta try. This world, it's going really bad. Crossfield, unpark, green park, steel, very scared, say peep into microphone, never in the open. We all are scared, underwhelmed, unrehearsed. Give some and don't shut up. Silent. And she says, yeah, I mean, your media and just, you couldn't edit the video together, and just awkward, dumb, and we are alive. Some being, no poem, box empty.